Royal Caribbean has confirmed 2 positive COVID-19 cases aboard Adventure of the Seas. Chris here with High Seas Cruising, and just want to bring this quick cruise story to you today. There have been 2 positive cases reported on Adventure of the Seas, sailing on its second voyage out of Nassau, Bahamas. Now, both of the positive cases were in children under the age of 16. Neither one of them were obviously vaccinated. One is asymptomatic and one is showing mild symptoms. Now, the remainder of the travel party is fully vaccinated. Everybody in the travel party and in the close contacts were all tested and have all tested negative with the exception of the 2 kids. This test was done as the end of the voyage test. They were immediately quarantined. Health and safety protocols did kick in, and the entire travel party disembarked in Freeport and is currently headed home. Now, the thing to remember is COVID cases are still going to pop up on cruise ships, just like they are still popping up on land, just like they're still popping up from people traveling in the airports and traveling in other countries and other places. COVID does still exist. The important thing to take from this is that the health and safety protocols kicked in. The testing worked. It found 2 individuals who tested positive. They were quarantined. They disembarked the ship. The cruise ship continued, and the voyage continues on its way back to Nassau. And it does show that we are properly handling COVID-19 cases that are occurring on board cruise ships. We're not shutting down the cruise lines. We're not shutting down cruise ships. We're not quarantining every single person in their room for weeks at a time. They are handling them as they occur. They're taking care of them immediately, and the cruise ship is going on, and that, to me, is the important thing to remember, especially with cruising fixing to restart here in just 2 days. So I did just want to bring you that quick cruising story. I hope you did enjoy it. If you did, let's give it a thumbs up. Have yourself a great day, and we will see you out on the high seas.